Hi, everyone. Welcome to week number 2. I appreciate everyone getting started, and um, everyone got started really well and logged in and got the assignments done. I have to tell you one thing, that this is the first time this class has been offered. I did taught this class in the fall, but it was a face-to-face. It's never been offered online before. It was actually, fall was the first time I've ever taught it at all. So I'm writing the class as I go along. So if there's any glitches like there was with the quiz, please feel free to just ask. Weird things happen with Blackboard, and sometimes it's human error. But if you see something, just let me know and I can fix it, and I appreciate your patience. And if you make mistakes, if somebody steps on your computer and turns in a quiz before you're done, do not worry about it. I absolutely understand human error. So this week we are going to be talking about the role of the teacher. We're going to be talking about active learning and social studies for preschool children. So if you look at the outside of the folder, you're going to watch the videos titled Role of the Teacher videos. And there's 3 little vignettes of children playing. I'm going to warn you, in the first video, it is not going to look like there's a teacher present, but the teacher does have a role. I'd like you to think about that. And then you're going to do a discussion board on those videos. Discussion board 1. The second thing you're going to do is a teacher's role assignment. It's just going to have you read some scenarios and think about what the teacher might be doing in that. Then you're going to read an article, a short little blurb about active learning, and answer some thoughtful questions. You're also going to be reading articles about what social studies are in preschool. It's very important to read those articles. You're going to complete discussion board 2, which is on social studies, and then you're going to read chapter 22 and do a quiz. So if you go into the folder, you can take a look at what it looks like. So here are the teacher role videos. If you click on it, they're going to look like this. This is the one where you might not see a teacher. You're going to have to think about what a teacher role might be in this play. Especially watch it towards the end. It does change. And then there's 2 more videos. So watch those 3. Then you can go back. And this is the videos, and then you do the discussion board after you watch the videos. Okay, this assignment is not attached to these videos. There's a discussion board. Then if you go into, we'll click on the discussion board just a second. Then if you look at the teacher role assignment, you can open it up, and there's some scenarios that I'd like you to read and also reflect on what the teacher's role might be. Okay? And you turn it in right inside. There's a link right inside of this tab. There's an active learning activity. You just read the top of this handout that's right here, and then answer the questions, and then turn that in there. Then I'd like you to read the social studies. What is social studies for preschoolers? I'd like you to read these 2 articles. And then I'd like you to go into the discussion board, and there's a discussion board 2 about social studies. And I'll show you that in just a second. And then here's the chapter 22 quiz. So please read chapter 22. If I were to go over to the discussion boards, these are the ones that you guys just finished. So here's the teacher's role. We have many roles in the classroom, from nursing to maintenance. Watch the videos titled Teacher Role Videos and explain in 3 short paragraphs what the teacher's role is in each video segment. You can number them 1, 2, and 3, A, B, and C, whatever works for you, and then just say, in the first video, this is what I think the teacher was doing. And then I'd like you to read everyone else's responses and see if your responses are different. See if you can find people who have a different response than you, and see if you can get some conversation going about what you consider their role being and what somebody else says. And then there's social studies for preschoolers. What I'd like you to do is read the articles, read the chapter, and then I'd like you to think about what are the social studies concepts I think about when I think of social studies and when I was in school. So the one I said is, I want you to make a column and list 5 things vertically, 5 things that were concepts for children that you think of as social studies. So geography was the one I thought of. What is geography for a 3rd grader or a 5th grader is very different than a preschooler. So I'd like you to think about what would be a very, very simplified version of geography for preschool children. And what my example would be is a map of the playground. It's geography, but it's very, very simple. So I'd like you to think about that. Next week we'll be continuing to talk about social studies, and then we'll be moving into field trips. If you have any questions or problems or things come up, feel free to email me. I'm always available. And I think that's it for the week. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.